What is going on, YouTube? We are back with another video, and you only clicked on this video for one reason. You want to know what I think it is to be a car guy and what you should know and the knowledge that you should know and things that you need to know to be classified as a car guy. It's just basic things of what you should know to be a car guy. All right, with that first thing being, there's a little place under your hood, and it starts with your motor. If you don't know how to change your oil or check your oil, can you really consider yourself a car guy? If that's the basics, the number one basic thing, even not being a car guy, just having a car in general. If you don't know how to change your oil, can you really call yourself a car guy? And this next thing, it really goes under the hood too. If you don't know how to check your fluids, like your coolant, brakes, brakes, then that's over there. That is your power steering, which is actually, my cap is up. So does that mean I'm not a car guy? Does that mean I'm not a car guy? That cap is not tight, y'all. But anyways, if you can't check your fluids in your car, are you really a car guy? I don't think a person that can't check their fluids is considered a car person. So, hey, y'all let me know. All right, so with that next thing being is your brakes. If you don't know how to change your brakes on your car, I don't think you can be considered a car person, because you gotta change your brakes out, and it's one of the easiest things. Is literally taking the wheel off and literally taking two bolts off the rear, or if you got Brembos, you just pushing a pin through. Simple as that. You just switch the pads out, put the caliper back on, unscrew your brakes, put it back on, and pump until you got a brake pedal. That simple. All right, so this next one, we're gonna come to the inside. If you can't drive one of these, you're not a car guy. I'm sorry to say. If you can't drive stick, you're not a car guy. I know y'all can build some clearing cars, but are you really a true car guy? But who am I to tell y'all that y'all not car people? You feel me? I drive a Nissan Altima, but if you can't drive stick, are you really a car guy? All right, and for this next one, we got headlight bulbs and tail light bulbs, fog light bulbs. If you can't replace a bulb, like an interior bulb or something like that, I don't think you're classified as a car guy. Something as easy as that. Now, if you got one of them cars that you gotta take apart the whole assembly, like you gotta take the headlight out just to change it. Some cars are like that. If you didn't know that, are you a car guy? But anyways, yes, on some of these you had to take the whole assembly out just to change it. On the rear, you got to take all the trunk deadening out and all that just to get to these on this, or like the side deadening just to get to it because it's behind it. But anyways, if you can't do it, what did I say? Are you a car guy? And then the last but not least thing, I think that's how you say it, but if you don't know how to change your spare tire if you have a flat, are you really a car guy? I know y'all probably getting sick of me saying, are you really a car guy? But truly, are you a car guy if you don't know how to change a flat? What you gonna do, like for all my guys out there, if you don't know how to change your flat on your tires, to take a wheel off and put a wheel back on, in a sense. If you have a girlfriend and she get a flat tire, or you on the side of the road and you get a flat tire, and you don't know how to change it, now you gotta call somebody to do the work for you. Now imagine I'm a guy, right? Not downing females at all, because females are very intelligent. I think they're more intelligent than men. I know my girlfriend is very more intelligent than me. But if I'm on the side of the road, right, and me being a man, if I'm on the side of the road, don't know how to change my tire, and I call AAA or somebody to come change the tire for me, and a female pulls up and she changes your tire for you, and you sitting there watching her change your tire, and she teaching you how to do it, are you really a man? Now let that sink in your head. Let that dig deep in your head. Are you really a man and a female changing your tire? Just let me know. But anyways, that's gonna be the end of the video, y'all. I got y'all a little short, quick video. Yes, this is my new spot back here. But anyways, like I always say, like, comment, subscribe. Quote of the day is, today, I wanna say, when bad things happen, look forward. Don't look behind. Don't keep downing on the bad stuff, draining on the bad stuff. Keep looking forward. Keep pushing in life. I want my youngins, the ones that are younger than me that are getting into this car stuff, keep looking forward. in life. No matter what, you're gonna have ups and downs. That's what life's about. But anyways, like I said, y'all go ahead and make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and we on to the next.